Me have to blow in a buckle, quad buckle. Me have her, me push her around. And they take me one daughter from me.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless you, love and greetings, viewers and subscribers, kings and queen, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed and as usual. I hope this visual find you all in the best of health. Mama, Evelyn, you what? You know, they are up on the work, you know. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, condolences to, I don't know, the mother and her 4th child, you know. Shocking, sad, devastating, you know what I mean? Yes, man, heartbroken news, you know, my viewers and subscribers. Is it? I don't know, I work me up on where I'm going, I can't hold the camera straight because I don't know, and I'm a work uniform and I don't know rules and regulations. Is it? Give thanks to the sunshine, my viewers and subscribers, yeah man. Kings and Queen, Lion and Lioness. If you're new to the channel, I don't know the routine, welcome. Your support is highly appreciated. Please consider to subscribe and click the bell, help the channel grow. And so I say, yeah man, we have some new music coming. Hey, my voice, I tune on the WAP with him, remix with him. Yo, promotional, you know. I'm making to hear my viewers and subscribers soon, you see? Yeah man, but I just want to say condolence story, you know, to the family, the mother. When I hear the mother cry, I say her one daughter, you know, the pain that she had to go through. You see me? To bring forth her one daughter star and her daughter come get her 4 grand. You see me? And the waste man there, person there. You see me? Channel my viewers and subscribers, it's shocking. You see it? Yeah, so I'll fall back after the break.
Jamaica is out of control.
Is in a state. And I just this me have to say star, you know. From the bottom of my heart to the top of my voice, me a cry out. Stop water the world, leave it, make it dry up till it die out. Every day from Jamaica, somebody brain fly out. War is not a nice business, it me not try out or buy out. Hear me in Jamaica, me a pray for my country. The whole of Kingston go right back to country. Some of them killer you feel cool and easy. Me not care if them see me and confront me. Hey, me a shout it up promptly. If you do, me not have a big voice like Bunty. Use when the devil say go kill them move jumpy. Put on the rifle and the pumpy. From the bottom of my heart to the top of my voice, me a cry out. Stop it, crime! Yeah, welcome back. Thanks for saying if you're still here, that shows you care. That is a tune. You know, I voice the DJ Barber production. I already have the rhythm already. And how I create that song there? I drive on the work and you see me? I build this song on meditation, you know? And thing on, you see it? I was actually building it before this happened to the lady, you see me? And Clarendon and her 4 putting them. So you see sir, the meditation, right, you see me? We say stop the crime. We cry out for peace. If you do my voice not big like for Bunty, I tell you them say, hold it, don't move jumpy. You see me I say? Put on the rifle and the pumpy. Yeah man, so I'm gonna hear it soon. Big up DJ Barber. And I mean producer who always encourage me and I send the rhythm them, you know? Yeah man, DJ Barber gonna get me. I get them from Imaric when I see it. But yeah, my viewers and subscribers, I hear the mother cry out, I say, yo, one daughter gone star. Jaja.
Me have to blow in a buckle, quad buckle. Me have her, me push her around. And they take me one daughter from me.
I mean, I see them hold the boy, you know. I see them hold the suspect, but I see them hold him, and I see them not hold him. So, I'm not going to mention his name. You know, I'm not going to mention his name just for that reason, you see it? Until confirm it's him, you see me? Yeah, so, if it is him, that person, so I say, him not for see back road, him for last and dash with the key. You see it? Yeah, man. And for last him and dash with the key, man. You see it? Yeah, man. That's what I say, my viewers and subscribe. Mama! You good? Yeah, man. I tell her. Yeah. You see my viewers and subscribers, that's it? Yeah man, so I don't know. Say a thing, you know. Blessings, man, blessings. Sad, man, sad. 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 Shocking, hurting. You know? I don't know what could have caused this. Is it? Viewers, I don't know what could have caused it. Trust me. She was studying to be a nurse, you know, and she had her exam coming up. This must be the next day, you know, the week. Yo, my viewers, yo, I don't know why not the mind of some of them money, you know. I don't care what she doing or what. I just assume because I don't know what happened or why such a gruesome act carry out. You see me? Why you have the heart to do that?
31-year-old Kimisha Kimberly Wright went to bed Monday night with her children, not knowing it was their last moments. Miss Wright's 3 little girls, 15-year-old Kimanda Smith, 12-year-old Shara Lee Smith, and 5-year-old Rafaela Smith all died. Their brother, Kishon Henry Jr., who was just 23 months old, was not spared the slaughter. Miss Wright was pursuing a nursing course and had final exams on Tuesday.
The lady, 31, young, you know, and her 4 child. Giano, star, my viewers and subscribers. I couldn't sleep last night when I heard of the news, man. Big up White Shadow who updated me, you know. When I heard of the news, man, I tell my viewers and subscribers. Yo, I couldn't sleep. You know, I couldn't. I did work and I just feel handfelt and rest. You know, my vibes just broke. Come here and say, Jano. I see all the picture of them on the ground with the kids on the ground. I can't show them because I know YouTube thing go. You see me? Sad. But I just say, Mommy, if you see that video, you just hold up head and stay strong. I know you want belly pain and it's very hard. It's hard, you know. Easy for us to say that, but Jano style. Viewers and subscribers, for real. Sad, man, and shocking, man. Yo, I tell you, boy. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man, that's the thing that starts, is it? I say, yo, everybody in Jamaica start enough for us pray, and be safe out there, you know. Pray for my families, I pray for my friends, them. I pray for my enemies, if me have none. You know, I don't know if I have none still, but I know I have a whole heap of bad mind people. Is it? So I don't know, that's the thing there. We have to just be safe out there. And as me always I say on the platform, be careful on who you hang around. Be careful who you associate with. You see me? Careful what you say around people. Because so you sit down and have a conversation and then they go back and say what you never said, you know what I mean? And twist up what you said. Then they get prements, they get attacked, you don't know where it come from. See? Yeah. Just don't entertain negativity. You see, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know. Big up on yourself and big up everybody star, you see it? You have life are the greatest and sad. We don't say Jamaica right now, look at Jamaica. Is, you know, infested, knuckleated with crime. You know, the most crime rate in the world. It's not a good look. Yeah, man, not a good look, man. Sad. Last year, you come like I said this year, we got beat last year in a crime rate. You see me? Yeah, man, come like I said this year, we got beat last year. I never know how much people gone already. Then I keep count, you know? I'm viewers and subscribers anyway, big up on yourself, I got cut you now. Don't know how to work, you see it? Jano star. Sad. Stop the crime. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. I don't know, Lion Foot with another vlog. We had to do it when I boast now, brag. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. See it? Yeah, man, go shots.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.